cut open the box ties with scissors. Open the flaps and look for contents in the box. There will be a smaller box for tools and battery charger inside the box. Take it out and keep it separately. Pull out the bike from the box carefully. Cut the packing and cable ties on the e-bike. Cut the tapes of the small carton box, and inside you can find charger box, pedals, rear and front reflectors and tools for assembly. The ignition key comes secured to the handlebar and framed with the help of zip tie. Cut it carefully. Turn the stem bracket towards you by loosening the screws at the neck. Then loosen the screws on the stem cap and remove it. Mount the handlebar and set to the desired position. Tighten the stem cap with the bolts carefully. Caution: do not over tighten the bolts. Remove the bolt, safety washers and mount the front wheel. Make sure the axle bolt is aligned and brake disc is inserted in between the brake pads as shown in the video. Tighten the bolts using the 15 mm side of the combination spanner. To mount the pedals, for the left pedal, screw the pedal to the crank in an anti-clockwise direction, and for the right pedal, screw it in a clockwise direction. You can find the direction sticker on the crank. Remove the charger from the charger box and plug in the power cord to the adapter. Connect the charger to the charging port provided on the down tube for charging. When charged adequately, remove it. Switch on the battery by turning the ignition key in the lock as shown in the video. To switch on the display, hold the power button for 3 seconds. Use the display to toggle between different modes and adjust the levels of pedal assist.